Hi everybody! Would you like to see Nano Soma at 1,600 times magnification? I've recorded this for you because it's absolutely amazing. But before I show you the video, let me just quickly introduce myself. My name is Caroline Mansfield. I'm a naturopath in London. I'm a live blood microscopist. I also analyse product under the microscope and look at how that interacts with blood. But let me show you the video now. This is Nano Soma, and look at how vibrant and vital this product is. The sparkling particles you can see, these are the molecules inside the Nano Soma solution, and they are just full of energy and vitality. It's a joy to look at. So I just wanted to share this with you because I get to look at a lot of product under the microscope, and I have to say that Nano Soma is probably the most energetic and vibrant product that I've looked at.